Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ever wanted to showcase your t-shirt designs? I'll show you how to make stunning mockups in Canva. Click Create, then choose Custom Size from the options. Enter 300 for the width and 300 for the height in pixels. Double check your dimensions, then confirm to proceed with a 300 by 300 pixel workspace. Next, click on Elements in the sidebar. Then start typing your desired element in the search bar. Here are some t-shirt design options within the app. Browse through the available styles to see which one fits your preferences. You can scroll to view more designs and select any option to customize further. Once you've chosen a design, tap it to start editing and make it uniquely yours before placing your order. There are several options available here. For this example, I'll select this option. Simply click to choose it, and you'll see how it updates automatically. You can explore other choices at any time. Next, let's explore custom designs. Click the Custom Designs tab on the left. Here, you can choose from various templates or create your own. Select a template or start from scratch to personalize your project. To embed content into your template, start by selecting the element where you want the content to appear. Then, locate the Embed option or button, usually found in the toolbar or settings menu. Click the Embed option and paste your code or link into the provided field. If you're not satisfied with the changes, you can adjust the settings or remove the embed to try again. Replace the sample on the current page by selecting and updating the content. Next, add another page by clicking the Add Page button. Once the new page is created, you can start building a new design from scratch directly within the design platform. To achieve this result, follow these steps. First, open the application and navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the file or item you want to modify. Click on the Options menu next to it, then select Edit. Make your changes in the fields provided. When you're done, click the Save button at the bottom. Your changes will be applied instantly. That's how quickly you can update your information. Just like that, the process is complete. Next, add another layer to your project. This time, set it as the background. To do this, click the Add Layer button. Select your desired image or color and position it behind your other layers. Adjust the size or opacity if needed to achieve the intended effect. This background layer will serve as the foundation for your design. To select this item, click on it once. Then, press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. If you want to group multiple items together, hold Shift and select each one. Then press Ctrl+G. This lets you manage and move items more efficiently within your project workspace. Copy this section, then paste it into the designated area. This action ensures that the content is transferred correctly and remains organized for further editing. This is your image. Use the selection tool to highlight the area you want to edit. Once selected, go to the toolbar and choose the Edit option. Make your desired changes, then click Apply. Finally, save your updated image by clicking the Save icon in the top right corner. Your changes are now complete. To delete the element, first select it in your workspace. Press the Delete key or right-click and choose Delete from the menu. Now to replace it, select the new element you want to use. Drag and drop it into the same position as the deleted element. If the issue is related to the footer or a specific section, make sure you're editing the correct part of the page. Next, test the changes by previewing or refreshing your page to confirm that the replacement appears as expected. If this method doesn't work, try a different approach by downloading the element or section you need. To do this, go to the menu and select Download. After that, choose the second page or the specific section you want. Repeat the changes and verify that everything updates correctly. After downloading the file containing just the second page, locate the file on your device. Next, return to the platform and find the upload area. Click Upload and select the file you just downloaded. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the second page displayed on your screen. Now take the image you want to add and drag it directly onto this page. Adjust the image as needed by clicking and dragging it into position. Make sure the image fits correctly within the designated area, resizing if necessary for proper alignment. Double check to confirm the image is placed exactly where you want it. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, look for the Done or Finish button and click it to save your changes. Click the Share button, then select Download from the menu. For high-quality output, choose PDF Print. You can use this for the best printing results. Once you've selected your preferred quality, click the Download button to save your file. Now you can create awesome t-shirt mockups in Canva. If you found this guide useful, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.